Snakes are one of the most misunderstood creatures on Earth. They have existed for over 100 million years and have survived major changes on the planet. Today, there are over 3,000 species of snakes found on every continent except Antarctica. Some are harmless, while others are highly venomous and dangerous. Snakes are born in two main ways. Some hatch from eggs hidden in soil, sand, or vegetation. Others are born alive, already fully developed. From the moment they are born, they are complete. Snakes are carnivores and eat animals such as mice, birds, frogs, insects, and sometimes even other snakes. They swallow their prey whole because they cannot chew, using extremely flexible jaws. They are silent hunters that rely on patience and surprise. Some snakes use venom to paralyze their prey, while others use constriction to squeeze it until it stops breathing. They often wait for hours completely still before striking in less than a second. Snakes do not hear like humans, but instead do. Snake venom is a powerful biological weapon made of proteins and enzymes. It can affect nerves, blood, or tissues, allowing snakes to quickly immobilize prey. Snakes come in many sizes, from a few centimeters long to over 6 meters, like pythons and anacondas. They continue growing throughout their lives, but growth slows as they age. Most snakes live between 10 and 30 years, depending on the species and environment. In captivity, they can live even longer. Although many people fear them, most Snakes also play an important role in nature by controlling pests and keeping ecosystems balanced. They are not monsters, but highly adapted survivors of the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this.